Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to turn Instagram story background black. It's quite simple, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. Now you can use this feature in order to put a black background on your story where you can add other stuff on it later. So how do you do this? You can quickly go to your story section, click an image or upload any image that you want. This will not be used for this. Once you have done this, click on the three dots on the top right corner, click on draw, select the black color on the bottom here. Once you selected black, tap anywhere and hold for 3 seconds. And once you do that, a black background is now added. You can click on done and add new things on top of this so that you can go ahead and make sure that you get the story that you want to upload. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to turn Instagram story background black. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.